Hello, today we will guide you through how to create and manage a new channel in Microsoft Teams. To begin, open Microsoft Teams in your browser. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the main Teams interface so you can access the navigation options. This is where you'll manage conversations, communities, and channels all in one place. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Communities. This section is where you can organize group spaces and create separate channels for different topics, projects, or types of communication. Using channels helps keep conversations more focused and easier to return to later. Once you're inside Communities, look for the Add Channel option and click it. This will open the channel creation window where you can set up a new space for discussions and updates. If you're creating channels for a team or group, it's a good idea to use clear descriptive names so everyone immediately understands the purpose of the channel. Now enter the name for your new channel. Choose a title that matches the topic or function you want the channel to serve. A well-named channel makes navigation much easier, especially as your community grows and includes more conversations over time. After entering the channel name, click Add. Microsoft Teams will create the channel and place it within your community. At this point, the new channel is ready to use, and you can start interacting with it right away. Next, click on Post or Announcement. This gives you a way to start sharing content within the channel. A standard post works well for everyday updates, while an announcement is useful when you want your message to stand out more clearly. This is especially helpful for important news or key information that members should notice quickly. After that, move to the top right area and click Events. This section can help you manage scheduled activities or community-related happenings connected to the channel. It's a useful place to check when you want to coordinate communication beyond regular posts. Finally, click Settings. This is where you can review and manage channel-related options. Settings can help you control how the channel functions and give you a better understanding of the available management tools. It's worth taking a moment here to become familiar with what can be adjusted, especially if you'll be maintaining the channel over time. That's all it takes to create and begin managing a new channel in Microsoft Teams. With a well-organized channel structure, clear posts, and a quick review of events and settings, you can keep communication more streamlined and effective.